Hey guys, so today I will show you my process of drawing. Whenever I want to draw a portrait, I often start with an oval shape, like an egg shape. Then I put a line in the middle to split the egg shape, and horizontally I split it into 3 pieces. The upper part is gonna be for the hair and the forehead. The middle part is gonna be for the eyes, the eyebrows, the nose, and also the ears. And the bottom part is gonna be for the mouth and for the chin. Keep your eyes focused on your reference and try to notice the spaces, the shapes, the lines that you are looking for. Observation, guys, is an important thing actually to make a successful portrait. You need to observe the reference more than you are drawing actually on your paper or your tablet. Don't be afraid of making mistakes, guys. That's something totally normal, especially for a beginner. That's why we invented the eraser or the undo touch actually if you're using a tablet. So whenever you make a mistake, compare your drawing with your reference and then try to fix the mistakes. Once I am happy with the first quick sketch, I am moving to the next step. I will lower the opacity of my first sketch and then make a cleaner sketch. Guys, I do never forget about the reference. My eyes are always connected actually to that reference photo. This is a part that I really love so much. I like actually to hatch. For that you need to do some training. The more you draw, the better your observation is gonna get and also the quality of your lines. Hatching can be tricky, but I think with time it gets a little bit easier. Now using hatching, I'm gonna create some values and shadows. Like this, I'm gonna give a 3-dimensional feel to my drawing. And to finish with this drawing, I'm gonna add some highlights. This is not a finished portrait. This is more like a study, guys. I think that's it for this video. I'm pretty happy about the result and really happy actually that I was drawing one of the best vocalists and one of the best singers that I have ever known. So if you guys think that you know who's that singer, I'm gonna wait for your comments, and I hope that you are gonna like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.